Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. I'm rocking and rolling here in the neighborhood, checking out the SOHAMO S3. So this is my first ride, and holy smokes, it is fast. It wants to go, go, go. Hey, I had some caffeine today, so I want to go, go, go too. So the SOHAMO is matching my energy right now. It's got a 750 watt motor, 20 amp battery, and lots of power, lots of speed. Speaking of first things happening, I got my first tick today. Yeah, that was a fun experience. I was helping Dad out in the flower bed in front of the house, and I just happened to notice that something was bothering my arm, and I looked down, and sure enough, there was a tick in my arm. Never had one before, so I was like, all right. Dad took some pliers and he heated them up and got that sucker out of my arm, and then I said, okay, well, there's a bump on my arm, so take a scalpel to it. So he took a scalpel to my arm very gently. There was a lot of trust there. So got the tick out of my arm. So that was a first. Taking the SOHAMO S3 for its first ride. That's a first. Want to see how it performs. So far, I'm liking this. And this is a budget bike, guys. This is only a $900 bike. Hi, Tom. Let's head on over to Red Rooster. Gotta stop the stop sign. All right, so with pedaling and throttle, I'm only getting it up to about 25 miles an hour. And it is in pedal assist 5. So that's not bad. 26. Okay. And just throttle. Still about 26. How about just pedaling? Because, you know, sometimes there's a difference. But it looks like it's only getting up to 26 miles per hour, so not bad. Not bad at all. Now, this is a fun zippy bike. Oh my goodness. Grips on the handlebars are kind of an interesting pattern too. I've got a good grip on the handlebars, but still like my palm rests more. Got the wind blowing in my hair and bugs in my teeth. Oh, it's Ron. Let's go say hi to Ron. He's dropping off the new trike. Well, hello.
We got Mr. FedEx here.
I see that. Well, hello.
How are you?
I'm good. I just did my first impression ride of the SOHAMO S3.
Yeah.
Have you ridden it yet?
No, we didn't ride it. Is that the one we put together the other day?
Yeah. Why don't you take it for a ride?
I don't want to go.
Okay, well, fine.
I trust you.
Okay.
I trust you.
Okay.
I take your opinion.
All right.
So it'd be my luck I'd wreck it and have to buy it.
It's only $900.
Yeah, well, it isn't a bad little bike. It folds up nice.
Oh, yeah. Like, I don't have a bike rack, so I could fold that up and stick it in my trunk and take it wherever.
But you wouldn't get rid of your trucks, would you?
Oh, no. No, I'm keeping that.
We haven't had a race yet.
No?
My Magic and yours.
We haven't.
No.
Mm-mm.
You're going to find out which one's the fastest.
Oh, that
it's
sounds...
like your dad told me that one day. You want to run title for title. He was riding one.
Challenge accepted.
Well, you rode the Magic before. You know it's fast.
Uh-huh.
How fast does that one go?
Mine goes about 28.
Okay. This one, with my fat body on it, does over 30.
Yeah, oh, wow. All right, guys, so you heard it here first. Ron and I are going to race. Me on my Traxxas Explorer and him on his Magicycle. So we're going to get a video of that here soon. Look forward to that. Until then, I hope you guys really enjoyed this short video of the SOHAMO S3. I'm really enjoying it. It's such a zippy bike, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. We've got all sorts of content for everyone. If you like this video, give us a big old thumbs up. It really helps our channel. And until the next video, keep rocking and rolling, guys.